Good morning. Myself, Dr. Jagdish Kulkarni. I wish you all a happy reading motivation day and best wishes on the occasion of birth anniversary of former President of India, Bharat Ratna, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Honorable Sri Lakshmi Narayanji Lahoti, President, and Honorable Sri Rameshji Biani, Secretary of the Dayananda Education Society, Latur. Chairperson of this online national webinar, my senior friend, Dr. Sriram Solanke, Sir, Principal of Dayanand College of Commerce. Professor Nagaraj Devaktal, Inaugurator. Resource person, Dr. Shivaji Kamble. Organizing committee members, my friend, Professor Vitthal Jadhav, Yogesh Sharma, Nikhil Vyas, Prem Sagar Mundra, Shravan Bansode, Rahul Chavan, and teaching administrative staff of the college. Librarians working in the colleges of Dayananda Education Society, media persons, participants, friends, my sister and brothers. First of all, I declare that this one-day national webinar organized by Department of Library of Dayanand College of Commerce on the theme Tools and Techniques for Searching Online is inaugurated. It is indeed great pleasure for me to inaugurate this webinar. I congratulate the organizers, especially convener, young and dynamic librarian of our region, Professor Vitthal Jadhav, great administrator, respected Dr. Sriram Solanke sir, and the entire organization team. Friends, Latur is well-known place for its Latur pattern. The pattern contributes large number of meritorious students to the society. The students of the Latur tops in the merit list of various examinations conducted by university and different boards and bodies. The Dayananda Education Society is one of the premier educational society in Latur and the region. It was established in 1961 and it imparts quality education at different levels. It is my hobby to read and understand the motto of the institution because it is in one sentence description of the goal of an institution. The motto, or we can say catchline of the society, that is Dayananda Education Society, is Ano Bhadra Krato Yantu Vishwata. Meaning of the mantra is, let noble thoughts come to me from all directions of the universe. This is the mantra from Rigveda Samhita 1.89.1. Rishi of the Sukta is Gautama and the deity is Vishwadevas. This is Sukta is called as a Shantipat Sukta or Swasti Mantra, where Swasti means blessings, seeking the well-being of people. These mantras were used to invite peace and well-being of or drive away negative and destructive forces. Friends, Dayanand College of established in 1961, whereas the Dayanand College of Commerce became independent in 1971. The college is said to be the oldest and largest commerce college in the Swami Ramananda Tirth Marathwada University jurisdiction. The strength of the college is in supportive management, advocate infrastructure, dedicated teachers, academic atmosphere, and eco-friendly campus. The Library of Dayanand College of Commerce is one of the leading library. It has maximum collection on specific subject, that is commerce. The library is known for its user services and user promotional activities. I personally visited the campus, college, and the library. I have observed that the library is well maintained, has quality collection, it has state-of-the-art furniture, the library is fully automated, there is devoted library staff, and most of all, it gives user-oriented services. Friends, the government of Maharashtra celebrates birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The date is 15th October as a reading motivation day. In Marathi, it is called as a Vachan Prerna Din all over Maharashtra since 2015. Various activities and programs are organized to on this day. The day is celebrated with various book exhibitions, lectures, and so many things. Department of Library and Dayanand College of Commerce organized a one-day national webinar on the theme Tools and Techniques for Searching Online. The theme of the webinar is contemporary and useful to all, which includes students, researchers, teachers, and everyone. I appreciate and congratulate organizers for the organization of such a significant webinar. Friends, I came to know that more than 700 participants have registered for the webinar. It is really a very good number in the present day situation. I request all the participants to remain focused, listen all the deliberations very carefully, and participate in discussion actively, as the topic is useful to you in day-to-day life. Knowledge gain must be your focus and just not the certificate. Friends, searching means to know, to find out, to inquire, to see, to examine, etc. The online search is the process of interactively searching and retrieving requested information via computer or internet for databases that are available online. Tool is a device which is useful to do a particular job. There are different tools for online searching. There are 3 basic search tools. For example, navigational search queries, informational search queries, and transactional search queries. There are n number of online search tools. Few important tools are Google, Bing, Yahoo, Baidu, MSN, etc. And the Google is the fastest and topmost search tool because it is used by 92% of the users. There are 3 prime search techniques: wise, basic, advanced, and expert. Basic search includes keyword searching, subject searching, author searching, title searching, phrase searching, wildcard, and truncation and synonymous. Advanced search techniques are Boolean operators, that is and, not, and or, then proximity searching and thesaurus. And the expert techniques includes citation tracing and searching similar bibliographies. This is very short information about the theme. Our resource person, Dr. Shivaji Kamble sir, is a knowledgeable and experienced librarian, and I'm confident he will take you to the interesting journey of this online searching. I humbly acknowledge my gratitude towards Dayanand Education Society, the college, the librarian, and the entire organizing team for giving me this an opportunity. I wish the resource person, organizers, and the participants good luck and express my confidence that the national webinar will get outstanding success. Here, on the occasion of Reading Motivation Day, I request all of you to kindly motivate the users, motivate the readers for reading maximum number of books and inculcate the reading habits amongst the school-going children as well as the adults. With this, I conclude my inaugural address. My sincere thanks to one and all. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you one and all.